Hello and welcome to another bike check. Here we are in the jungle with this Brooklyn Machine Works Gangsta Track V4. I changed a few things since my last bike check. Changed to this 43 tooth orange chainring, these mesh nylon toe clips. Added this moose guard fender, reload bag, saddlebag, and I also swapped the seat out. But let's run over everything else. This is the Renthal handlebars, Thompson stem, mash top cap. Hubs are Shimano low flange track hubs, front and rear. Rear hub is single-sided, laced to R460 DT Swiss rims. Tires are Maxxis Rambler 38 in the back, 40 in the front. Like I said, Arn 43 tooth chainring, Affinity cranks, Sylvan track pedals, All City double leather straps, All City 18 tooth cog. So the ratio on here right now is 43:18. So hopefully I'll do some mountain biking and stuff like that. Philwood clamp, Thompson seat post. Let me know what questions you have, if any. This is the go anywhere, destroy everything bike. So hopefully I will prove that to you guys in some future videos. Peace.